job to keep, of course, for the bills, may content creation on the side pa, at syempre, ang parental duties. Most of the time, haggard na talaga magluto pa. Kung kuratsa kang katulad ko na madalas di na magkanda o gagas dami ng gagawin, ito ang lifesaver sa buhay natin. Ang Dato Puti Adobo Series, Classic Adobo. All you need to do is marinate your chicken for at least 30 minutes with Dato Puti Adobo Series Classic Adobo. Add 1 cup of water afterward, then bring to boil. Let it simmer hanggang sa maluto yung mga manok, and that's it! As easy as that, pwede mo nang iserve to your fam. Usually, hirap talaga ako ma-achieve yung perfect adobo. Pero with using Dato Puti Adobo Series Classic Adobo, nakuha ko yung lasa ng adobo na gusto ko. At sobrang dali ko lang naluto kahit pakabisihan ng araw ko. Kaya nyo na din! Perfect tong Dato Puti Adobo Series in cooking your favorite dishes. You may purchase this in leading supermarkets nationwide or through your favorite online grocery shopping platforms.